Hi guys, in this tutorial I will teach you how to make pages and navigation for your store. For this you must go to online stores, then pages section, add page. Most I will discuss the most important page you need for your store. First one is about us. Just save it. Click on create another page. Contact us is also very important. And template suffix, you go to template and as page.contact. Now you must set your navigation of your store. Main menu, which is on your header, you can edit it to for shop. Block. You can select different blogs if you create different blogs. No, by default there is a news blog, so I select this. No. Now we'll add pages. Just click pages. Click on about us. No, another page, contact us. Now I will show you how to make a drop down menu. Just select an item, go to collections and select dog homes, and then drag this dog's home below the shop, and it will make no. It is super easy. And if you want to make a mega drop down menu, then you can do this. Like for example, I set this dog's home. Just drag and drop and below it. Now this is a third level drop down menu. Save it. Now we view it. It is under the shop. There's three drop downs: drop house, colors, and dresses. And this is